Alright, I'm just going to try and remove this fuel filler neck. It does have like a rubber seal around it, which I think you have to get off to enable you to push it down back through. This seems a bit annoying to try and get it off. Oh, God. Sort of working. Oh, there we go. There it is. So that pops off. And that should be able to... And this comes out. I think it's still attached with the line, so I'll just have to... Oh no, there we go. It looks old and quite ratty, but it's off. So I'll clean that up and see if it's usable. I'm just going to take out the filler neck of the wagon as well, just to, I don't know, strip it back and just see what I need to do. I've undone the bolts. What's that? Oh, that's the, that looks like the gas line. This is a metal bracket under here. Hopefully that... Bit of sealant there. Looks like it's 50 years old. This looks like some sort of plate to hold the petrol and the gas line caps. Right, so that's the gas line. That's the fuel neck. I'll just poke that through and I might be able to get it from the other side. Okay, there's the neck coming out, and that's the gas line, which goes up to the tank, which I think is through there. So I might just be able to unbolt that and just take it all out through that spot. You might give that a go. Oh, what a nightmare. It'd be really great if that fitted through there, but I don't know if I'm that lucky. That wire's been joined once, I think I'll just cut it. Okay, so that's a line going to the engine. Guess I can poke that back through. I might be able to use that gas tank in the Mr. Whippy van project. So that tank's been inside the back of the Commodore all its life, so it's in good shape, whereas the one on this van has been out exposed to the elements its whole life. So yeah, maybe that'll be a swap for another day, and we can chuck that newer tank onto that van. It is petrol and gas, so I could just do petrol only, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, there she is. Good old Bedford. Holding engine. Yes. One day. Alright, just finished unbolting the LPG bottle bracket. That's the last piece of the puzzle. So that can come out. It's actually quite well made. There. That's the other loop. Yeah. Now I do have to patch up those holes, bolt holes as well, but I can do that later. Alright, that part is done. Just removing more of the gas system. One off. Just got another line there, I've just got to undo that one. We undid that bolt, but it wouldn't push through, so I've just undone the bracket, that there and that there. Yep, and that comes out. Right, another piece out. And now the air filter fits back on properly. It was stuck up in the air like this because the other thing was sitting underneath it, but now it actually comes down and sits properly. Alright, that looks a lot better.